So students, here we are going to learn dynamic typing in Python. Okay, so what is dynamic typing? You check first. Dynamic typing is what? As Python or in Python, we need not to declare or we need not to specify the data type during declare a variable. So it supports dynamic typing. For example, here I wrote a equal to 34. Here no variable type is there, no data type is mentioned. So printing a will print 34 and type a will print int. Type means type is the inbuilt function which I taught you before. In previous videos the explanation of type is there. Type will provide the data type of a. Okay, so what is the data type of a now? It is integer, so it will print int or integer. Fine. So let's see the theory. In Python, as variable never can be declared with its respective data type. So any type of values can be stored in a variable during writing a program. It means because of variable type is not so strict in Python. It is not mentioned unlike C, C++, Java, where before assigning a value into a variable, we have to write the data type. For example, here in this case, I have to write int in case of Java, C++, or in other languages. But in Python, I need not to specify the data type. So it does not mean like data type concept is not there in Python. Data type concept is there in Python. That because of after assigning 34 to a, when I'm printing it is showing the result, no problem. When I'm using type function, type of a, it is showing int as the result. Let's see practically. So I'm writing here a equal to 34. Okay, now I'm writing type of a. What I'm writing? Type of a. So it is writing class int. So int data type. Understood? The data type concept is there in Python, but it is not necessary to declare with data type a variable. Okay. Now the a is 34. It means a is integer. Now later on what I did? Now a equal to hello. Hello is a string value, students. Hello I am putting in a. So it means now no more a is pointing to 34. Now a will point to hello. Now print a will print hello and type a will show string or str. Let's check, going to the editor. Let's check a equal to, I'm writing here hello. Now writing type of a. So what it is printing, you see? str means string type. Fine. Okay, so let me explain here little graphically. See, when you are writing a is 34, the label is pointing to 34 value. Then later on what we are doing, now we are changing it to hello. So what will happen, you see just here I am drawing. Suppose this is the memory location of hello. So what will happen, now this arrow which was pointing from a to 34 will move like this, simply will move like this. Now no more 34 is the value of a. 34 is there in memory, it didn't get removed, but a now is pointing to whom? Pointing to hello. Understood, hope, the concept of dynamic typing? Fine. Let's continue with a new concept. The concept we will learn how the data can be input in Python as well as can produce the output. Producing output already we know the print statement. So today we are going to see how interactively the data can be inputted to Python program or Python cell. Fine. So input function can be used for that. So here I wrote we can use built-in function, that is a inbuilt function, just like type, just like bin I taught you before, just like the previously we saw some of the functions, we can use them. Fine, students. So what the input function or how it is working, you please see the syntax. Where is the variable, then I am writing the function name, then I'm writing here enter your name, enter your address, enter a number, whatever statement I want to show, I can show. Fine. So example how? A name equal to input enter your name. So when I'm writing enter your name, it is asking the name. It is staying on the prompt to receive the name from you. After it receives, when we manipulate it by printing, it is printing simply. Let's go to the editor and check. I'm doing here a equal to or name equal to input enter your name. Fine. So it is waiting there. See, in editor it is waiting. So now I am writing my name, pressing enter. So thereafter, if I am printing name, so it is printing Rasmi. So it means this is also one way of assigning the values to a variable or to a label through dynamic concept. That is what we learned the dynamic concept above, or through input function we can say. Fine students, there is a problem here. What the problem is, now as Python accepts string value through input function, Python can accept string value. String means the character only or the word only, sentence only through input function, and they cannot be used for arithmetic or non-numeric or numeric operations. It means no calculation, no mathematical operation can be done with this kind of values. So let's check what it is saying. So a equal to, I wrote here a equal to input enter a number. Fine. Now I'm putting here 3. Now when I'm printing a, that is fine, it will print 3, but let's do like this, a plus 1. See, showing error. Why the error it is showing? Because a is 3 and that 3 is not a number. That 3 is not a number. Fine. So that's why it is showing error when we are adding with 1, because no mathematical operation can be done with the data which we received through input function. So now, how the solution we can get for that then? How? Now there is solution how? Now we have to use two functions, that is int and float, for forcing the data to be integer or the forcing the data to be float. So there are two. For this reason, Python offers two functions, that is int and float. So you have to use it like this. See, int, then input, float, then input. Let's try practically. Here I am writing a equal to int of enter a number. I wrote in short. Chalo, let it be, no problem. I didn't wrote input, so I have to write that also, input. Okay. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Now number 4. So print a plus 1. Is it working or not? See, yes, it's working fine. So same way float also, let's try. B equal to float input enter your height. Now the height I am giving, suppose 5.4. So print B. It's working. I can do type also. See, the type also all of you can see. Type of A as well as type of B. Understood? The type of A is what? Integer. Type of B is float. So this is all about the input and input function we can use in Python. That is, simple input and output function can be utilized in Python. This is how we can input the data from dynamic way or from our own way.